Are you ready to turn your thoughts into cash? If you're seeking a flexible, straightforward side hustle, Respondent.io is your ticket to earning extra income. By simply sharing your opinions, you can make between $50 and $200 a day, a far cry from the meager payouts of typical online surveys. Respondent.io connects you with real companies and market researchers eager to hear your insights on various products and services. Whether you're a busy professional or someone looking to supplement your income in your spare time, this platform offers a legitimate and easy way to boost your earnings. Let's explore how to get started and start cashing in today. What is Respondent.io? Respondent.io is a market research platform that bridges the gap between researchers and consumers willing to share their experiences. Companies, from startups to major corporations, are eager to understand consumer behavior and are willing to pay for your valuable insights. Unlike traditional survey sites, Respondent.io prioritizes high-quality research, targeting specific demographics and expertise areas. How to get started? Getting started on Respondent.io is a breeze. Here's how. 1. Sign up for free. Create your account using your LinkedIn profile or email for authenticity. 2. Complete your profile. Fill in personal and professional details. The more specific you are, the better your chances of qualifying for studies. 3. Browse available studies. Explore studies that match your background. Respondent.io offers opportunities across various fields, including marketing, technology, and healthcare. 4. Apply for studies. Submit your applications for studies that interest you. Some may require answering screening questions to qualify. 5. Participate and get paid. If selected, complete the study, be it an interview, survey, or focus group, and receive your payment via PayPal. Why Respondent.io stands out? Respondent.io sets itself apart from other survey sites with its focus on professional research and higher payouts. High earnings. Many studies offer between $50 and $200, with specialized studies paying even more. Short time commitment. Most studies take only 30 minutes to an hour, making it an efficient way to earn extra cash. Professional studies. The platform often seeks professionals in specific fields, leading to higher compensation. Maximizing your earnings on Respondent.io. To make the most of your experience on Respondent.io, follow these tips. 1. Optimize your profile. Ensure your profile is complete and highlights any unique skills or job experience. 2. Check regularly. New studies are posted frequently, so visit the platform often to seize opportunities. 3. Apply quickly. Popular studies fill up fast, so apply as soon as you find a match for your profile. 4. Be honest and professional. Provide truthful responses during the screening process and maintain professionalism throughout the study. 5. Refer others. Take advantage of Respondent.io's referral program to earn bonuses for bringing in new participants who complete studies. Real earning potential. Can you really make $50 and $200 a day? Earning $50 and $200 a day on Respondent.io is achievable, especially if you qualify for high-demand studies. While availability may vary, many users report making over $1,000 a month by dedicating time to apply and participate regularly. If you're looking for a side hustle with flexibility and high payouts, Respondent.io is worth exploring. By sharing your opinions, you can transform your insights into a lucrative income stream. Whether you're a seasoned professional or someone with valuable perspectives, Respondent.io provides a legitimate way to earn extra cash from the comfort of your home. So why wait? Start today and discover just how far your voice can take you. Your opinions are worth more than you think. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.